Hello everyone, how are we doing today? I'm Jones Crasto and I would like to welcome you to Jones Crasto, your ultimate destination for entertainment and news. I kindly ask for your understanding regarding my pronunciation as I create these videos purely to entertain you. I have crafted some content based on the original news, referred to as summarized and repurposed content or AI generated content. I will be reading it out for you purely for your entertainment. Our YouTube channel brings you the latest in news and entertainment, while our brokerage services excel in mergers and acquisitions, as well as the buying and selling of exclusive real estate, luxury yachts, and corporate jets and helicopters, along with managing their global operations. For more details, visit our website at jonescrasto.com or contact us at jonescrasto@gmail.com. Thank you for tuning in. Next, let's dive into a discussion about new hybrid VTOL aircraft revolutionizing national defense. Join Jones Crasto's YouTube channel for an in-depth look at how Anduril Industries and Archer Aviation are transforming military aviation. Discover the game-changing hybrid VTOL aircraft that promises to meet urgent national security needs while addressing environmental concerns. Watch, comment, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve on the latest advancements in aviation technology. Your thoughts matter. Let's shape the conversation together. Introduction. Welcome to Jones Crasto's channel, where aviation and defense technology take the center stage. Today, we explore an exciting development, the announcement of a hybrid VTOL aircraft by Anduril Industries and Archer Aviation. What makes this innovation a game changer for national defense? Question mark. Let's break it down. The announcement, a groundbreaking partnership between defense technology powerhouse Anduril Industries and Archer Aviation has paved the way for a new hybrid vertical takeoff and landing VTOL aircraft designed to address urgent national security needs. Why this matter? This development comes at a crucial time as the defense industry faces growing pressure to innovate while reducing its environmental impact, something traditionally seen as a challenge for such a high polluting sector. Hybrid aircraft technology. The hybrid VTOL aircraft combines the agility and vertical lift of helicopters with the speed of efficiency of fixed wing planes, creating a versatile solution for military operations. Eco-friendly revolution. What sets these aircraft apart is its eco-friendly design, leveraging advanced hybrid technology. It promises to cut emissions significantly while maintaining top-tier performance, a win for both defense and the environment. Meeting national security needs. In an era of rapid technological advancements and evolving threats, this hybrid VTOL aircraft aims to provide a swift, adaptable, and sustainable response to national security challenges. The role of Anduril and Archer. Anduril Industries, known for its cutting-edge defense technology, and Archer Aviation, a pioneer in sustainable aviation, bring complementary expertise to this ambitious project. Together, they are pushing boundaries. Potential applications from troop transport and surveillance to energy evacuations and disaster relief. These aircraft could redefine how militaries operate in diverse challenging scenarios. addressing environmental concerns. With aviation being one of the largest contributors to global emissions, this hybrid aircraft signals a step in the right direction for a greener defense industry. Game changing features expected to feature advanced propulsion systems, enhanced maneuverability, and low noise operation. This VTOL aircraft is designed for maximum efficiency and stealth in military missions. Broader implications. This collaboration also highlights a growing trend in the defense industry, the integration of sustainable practices without compromising operational effectiveness. Comparisons and existing tech. How does this hybrid VTOL compare to traditional military aircraft? Question mark. With its hybrid engine and versatile design, it could outperform many conventional options in speed, range, and efficiency. Challenges and opportunities. Of course, bringing this vision to life isn't without challenges. Technological integration, production costs, and regulatory hurdles remain key considerations for Anduril and Archer. Viewer engagement. What your take on this hybrid innovation? Question mark. Could this aircraft set a new standard for sustainable defense technology, or does it face too many hurdles to achieve widespread adoption? Question mark. Share your thoughts. Conclusion. Stay tuned to Jones Crasto's channel as we track the development of this revolutionary aircraft and dive deeper into the latest trends in aviation and defense. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Your engagement fuels this community.